So let's start with your name.
Sure. My name is Adam Koerner.
And how long have you been in culinary?
In culinary since I was about 15, so I'm going to date myself, so almost 20 years.
Wow, so you've got just a little bit of experience.
Just a little bit, yes.
And how long have you been with ProStart specifically?
With ProStart, this is my 4th year.
What team are you here for? Are you here for a specific team, or are you judging? Like, what are you doing?
I'm here as a judge, so I'm the co-lead judge with Jamie Callison and Josh Martin.
Awesome. And are you a chef? Like, what do you do outside of ProStart?
So I work at Washington State University. I'm the assistant director for culinary operations for all things.
Wow. And tell me a little bit about you and your story. Like, when did all of this start? When did you get into hospitality and culinary?
Yeah, I think as most things do, your passions start when you're young. So I was always in the kitchen with my mother. I really enjoyed being around food. I think my favorite holidays all were like Thanksgiving, Christmas, all things revolving around food. And then my uncle was a chef. It sort of was something I fell into.
And one more question. Other than just being here to judge, like, is there any deeper reason that you're here other than just loving food?
Oh yeah, for sure. I think it's very important to give back. I think right now we're cultivating the future culinarians, future hospitality folks that are going to be taking over my job in the near future. And I want to make sure that I can be a part of seeing that, part of cultivating that culture, and seeing them grow as culinarians and professionals.
That's great. Thank you so much, Chef.